Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Stubhub coupon codes. So this is stubhub.com where you can find different types of concert tickets and um, more. So if you want to get the promo codes and the discount codes, you can first come on the official website and check if there is any coupon code or discount code available. You can even click on the gift cards option in order to see what they are actually offering as of right now. So it may change from month to month, so make sure that you come over here and check if there is any discount or coupon code available. Now in the second method, you just have to come to this website, that is coupons.com. This is one of the best and the greatest websites that I found online that provide you the best coupon codes. So over here you just have to use the search bar in the top right hand corner and search for Stubhub. After that, it will show you all of the deals and the coupon codes that are currently available as of January 2025. So you need to simply click on the see coupon option in whichever coupon you are interested and copy the code from here. Now before using it, you need to make sure that you first click on the terms and conditions page and read the terms and conditions for best applicable of this coupon code. Now you just have to come on stubhub.com and log into your account. After that, you just have to simply place your order, and at the time of checkout you need to use this coupon code and it will work for you. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.